Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off stories to stories resharing feature on Instagram. So all you have to do is to open up your Instagram app, and then you need to click and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to be directed to your profile page, and then click. And again, you need to select the three horizontal lines menu icon on the top right corner and then click. So here now at settings and activity, and then again, you need to scroll down, and then underneath here at how others can interact with you, then you need to select this sharing and reuse on this menu and then click. So here now at sharing and reuse, and then underneath here at stories to stories, but before to enable these features, your account must be in public for these options to be available. Private account stories cannot be reshared by others users. So if you want to enable or disable these features, then you need to select this for everyone. If you want to turn on, here at the right corner, you need to click the circular icon here. And then if you want to turn off these features, then you need to select this off here at the right corner, and again, you need to click the circular icon here. And also, you can select this followers you follow back. So same here, click this circular icon here. So it depends on your preferences. So when this is on, the audience you select can share your stories to their stories. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching.